Anna, where are you?
I'm in the kitchen. I'm cooking dinner.
Yum. What are you cooking?
I'm making pasta. Do you want some?
Of course. I'll come to the dining room.
Okay, dinner is ready.
Great. And don't forget dessert.
Never.
Can you describe your bedroom, Anna?
Okay, let's go.
Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Everyday English with Mark and Anna.
Hi, friends. Today we're going home.
That's right. In this lesson, we'll learn to talk about your house, rooms, and furniture. Everything you see around you every day.
So, if you want to describe your home or just tell someone where you are, this lesson is for you.
And remember, listener, repeat after us and practice out loud.
Let's get started.
Let's start with the word house. A house is where you live. Repeat after us. A house. An apartment. A home. Good. Now, let's learn the rooms in a house.
Living room. Bedroom. Kitchen. Bathroom. Dining room. Garden. Balcony. Garage.
Let's use them in short sentences. I'm in the living room. She's in the kitchen. He's in the bathroom. We are in the garden.
Your turn, listener. Where are you right now? Say, I'm in the...
Nice, you're learning fast. Now, let's talk about furniture, the things inside your home. A table. A chair. A sofa. A bed. A lamp. A fridge. A mirror. A wardrobe. A television. A carpet.
Let's make some sentences. There is a bed in the bedroom. There is a sofa in the living room. There is a table in the kitchen. There is a mirror in the bathroom.
Now your turn. Repeat after us.
Perfect. Now your English home is ready.
Let's talk about things we do at home.
Yes, repeat these verbs with us.
Cook. Eat. Sleep. Watch TV. Read. Clean. Wash. Study. Relax.
Now let's make short sentences. I cook in the kitchen. I sleep in the bedroom. I watch TV in the living room. I read in the garden.
Your turn, listener. What do you do at home? Say, I blank in the blank. Excellent.
Okay, let's practice a short conversation.
Anna, where are you?
I'm in the kitchen. I'm cooking dinner.
Yum. What are you cooking?
I'm making pasta. Do you want some?
Of course. I'll come to the dining room.
Okay, dinner is ready.
Great. And don't forget dessert.
Never.
Can you describe your bedroom, Anna?
Sure. My bedroom is small but nice. There's a bed, a wardrobe, and a lamp. I have a big window and a blue carpet.
Sounds cozy.
Thank you. What about you?
My bedroom is a mess. Clothes everywhere.
Oh, Mark, you need to clean your room.
Yes, tomorrow.
Typical.
Let's learn some prepositions to describe where things are. On. In. Under. Next to. Behind. In front of. Between.
Now let's make examples. The book is on the table. The cat is under the sofa. The chair is next to the bed. The TV is in front of the sofa. The lamp is behind the chair. The table is between two chairs.
Now you, listener, look around your home and say a sentence. The is on the. Nice job. Okay, Anna, let's make things funny again.
Oh no, what's the plan this time?
Let's imagine your house is alive.
Alive? Like talking furniture?
Exactly.
Hello, table. How are you today?
Mark, as the table. I'm tired. People keep eating on me all day.
Oh no. What about you? Sofa?
Please, no more TV. I need a break.
My furniture is funnier than my friends.
See? Even your house can speak English now.
Okay, time for a quick review.
Mark. Today we learned rooms in a house, bedroom, kitchen, bathroom, furniture, table, bed, sofa, lamp, daily activities, cook, eat, sleep, read, prepositions, on, under, next to, behind.
Now let's do a small quiz. Where do you cook?
In the kitchen. Where do you sleep?
In the bedroom.
What's on your table?
Maybe a cup? Maybe a cat. Say a sentence with under.
The dog is under the chair.
Perfect. You're doing great.
You did amazing today. Yes, now you can talk about your home, describe rooms, and even tell where things are.
Next time, we'll learn lesson 7 at the restaurant, ordering food and drinks.
That sounds delicious.
See you next time, friends. Bye-bye.